If you are a nurse dreaming of Australia but confused between NCLEX, OSCE and the registration process, this video will save you months of confusion. I wish someone had explained this to me earlier. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am a nurse from India and I am currently on my journey towards working as a registered nurse in Australia. In this video, I'll honestly share what NCLEX actually is, what OSCE is, how both connect to Australia, and how you can plan your journey step by step. This is not a motivational speech, this is a real guidance for nurses like us. After completing nursing in India, I started thinking about my future. I wanted professional growth, better working conditions, and international exposure. Like many nurses, I was confused. Should I choose NCLEX? Should I go directly to Australia? What exams are actually required? There is so much half information online, and that's why I am sharing everything clearly on this channel. Let me first explain NCLEX in very simple words. NCLEX is an international licensing exam for nurses. It tests how safely you can work as a nurse, not how much you can memorize. NCLEX focuses on critical thinking, priority-based questions, patient safety, and clinical decision making. Many nurses think NCLEX is only for the USA, but that's not completely true. NCLEX is recognized in multiple pathways and gives you global exposure. Preparing for NCLEX also improves your nursing foundation, which helps in OSCE and real clinical practice. During my NCLEX preparation, I realized one important thing. NCLEX is not about studying everything. I focused on core concepts, practice questions daily, understanding why an option is correct or wrong. Instead of using too many resources, I revised limited content again and again. NCLEX teaches us how to think like a nurse, not like a student. Now let's talk about OSCE because this is where most nurses get scared. OSCE stands for Objective Structured Clinical Examination. OSCE is a practical exam, not theory. It tests your communication, clinical skills, patient safety, like professional behavior. Okay? In OSCE, you are given real life nursing scenarios. You are observed on how you talk to the patient, how you perform assessments, how you follow the infection control, and make clinical decisions. This exam is very important for nurses planning to work in Australia. Now, the most important part, how NCLEX and OSCE connect to Australia. To work as a registered nurse in Australia, you need AFRA registration. Depending on your background, AFRA may require NCLEX, OSCE, English exams like IELTS, OET or PTE, and proper documentation. Usually the pathway includes document assessment, NCLEX exam, OSCE exam, final registration with AFRA. This process requires patience, planning, and correct information, not any shortcuts. One mistake many nurses make is rushing the process. Another mistake is trusting random social media comments instead of official guidelines. And the biggest mistake is comparing your journey with others. Everyone's path is different, and that's okay. When I started, I felt lost and overwhelmed. I did not know whom to trust. So, through this channel, I want to create a safe space for NCLEX aspirants, OSCE candidates, nurses planning to Australia. On this channel, you will find NCLEX preparation tips, OSCE explanations, Australia nursing pathway, study routines for working nurses, and real motivation without fake hype. If you are a nurse planning NCLEX, OSCE or Australia, subscribe to this channel and walk this journey with me. Your support means a lot and together we will make this process easier. And if you want to know the exact expenses of NCLEX, OSCE, including exam fees, preparation cost and hidden any charges like any type of OSCE coaching fees or because for the OSCE you need to take classes. and I will be sharing a separate detailed video on that. So subscribe and stay connected because this information can save you a lot of money and confusion. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.